welcome back to the channel everyone. I'm Dimitri and this is Value Cars Australia. Slightly different setting, I will explain everything. Today I'd like to give you my first impressions on the very new product that Copuride CarPlay Systems have sent me very kindly. It is their very new IPS touchscreen display system that embeds the dash cam as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Wireless, obviously. As you know, I kind of can come across a little bit as a Copuride fanboy because I have already received one of their products and have been using it in my Haval H6 car until I sold it, basically until very recent time. And now they sent me this awesome thing, which, like, if I thought for my needs Copuride could not have gotten any better for me. It's an extra screen, it's a wireless seamless connection of my Android phone when I walk into the car. It's maps on the screen all the time versus the infotainment screen, which may or may not be nice and bright enough and whatever, so completely separate. I loved it, right? And now they made it better for me by giving me another screen, except this screen also has a dash camera in it. Like, come on, Copuride, slow down, you're making the others look bad. I'm kidding. The dash cam, let's take a look at this, because dash cam is very interesting for me, and an integrated system like this, which is the main value of it as I see it, at least at this point in time, is very important. So dash cam here is only 1080p, so the quality of the image is not something massive to write home about. Let's get this out of the way. This dash cam is not gonna win any particular awards, just as a camera itself built in. The color saturation is a little bit, you know, kind of meh, you know, especially if you compare it to the dedicated cams, you know, like Viofo or Lanmodo even, yeah, that we'll be talking about in the other videos. Please check out, I'll link them here in the corner of the screen for you. But it is good enough. My point is that it is good enough, because why would I recommend Copuride to you? Why would I get Copuride for myself? I would get Copuride primarily to have that extra screen with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. That would be my primary use of why I would be buying this. However, if this occupies certain real estate, if this occupies certain space on your dashboard of your car or something like this, well, I would much rather have only one thing that sits there as opposed to having, you know, a screen and a dash cam. Do you know what I'm saying? The dash cam itself is integrated quite nicely, as you can see here at the back of the unit itself. It's fitted here with one of the provided brackets and one of the provided panels that then can be stickied basically to whichever surface in your car you feel most appropriate. Well, presumably it would be the flattest surface there. And before you ask me, of course there will be a more detailed review of every function, such as connectivity to different methods of sound output. So as with my first Copuride system, the one that was a 9-inch system without a dash cam in it, I was using simply the built-in speakers. And the built-in speakers, again, are not going to win any particular music awards, yeah, like Grammy or something like that. But at the same time, what do I like about systems? I like simplicity. I like when somebody gives me something like this, I put it there and I have a dash cam and a screen and everything all in one. Do you know what I mean? That is not to say that I do not take my hat off to something, again, such as a dedicated dash cam system such as Viofo, for example, that we are going to be reviewing in great detail. It's an amazing product in itself. However, here it's integrated, it's very simple, speakers are there. I don't bother connecting extra wires to the, you know, to the outlets of your sound system of your car, or there is an opportunity to also tune in into FM radio, believe it or not, on the same wavelength as this little amazing product. I can't stop gushing on this, you know. So of course this is sponsored. Of course they didn't pay me, but they sent me the product for free. But I swear to you, if I wasn't so impressed, I wouldn't be A, prioritizing this review, I would have prioritized others, and B, I wouldn't be now actively thinking about how to embed this into my new car, the one that I'm talking to you kind of in parallel videos here, the one that I'm buying after selling my Haval H6. What else has impressed me in this quick first drive around it with a temporary installation of this Copuride system before I make it permanent in my new car? Well, what impressed me is that the dash cam is good enough. I thought, I'll be honest with you, I thought that it's gonna be worse. I thought it's gonna be like 720p effective resolution. I thought it was going to be more grainy. I thought it wasn't going to be decent. And I would say that what we're seeing on the screen right now, unless you are a particular dashcam gourmet, or you need 4K, you need 2K, you need night vision such as Lanmodo camera gives you, or you need to look front and back such as, let's say, Viofo camera is giving you that opportunity. So unless you are a gourmet, let's call it, on the dashcam front, if you just need to see what's going on in front and you kind of don't care much and you want it all in one, at the moment, right now, at the moment of recording of this video, start of November 2023, this is the best thing that I've seen so far. Like, thank you Copyright, because this is great. As always, needless to say, the product is sponsored in a way that the Copyright are nice people. They have given me discount codes for you guys and girls to get the product cheaper. Take a look in the description of the video for my discount code link. Use it. That will take you to the website. And what you need to know is that through the month of November, they are running, at least right now at the moment of recording of this video, for the foreseeable November kind of timeline, they are running 30% discount on their products across the whole website. So go to Copyright, use my link, get a discount, capitalize on further discount of 30%. Yeah, take a look, compare your numbers. I will leave it up to you, you big boys and girls. And yeah, get an awesome product. If all you need is Google Maps or Apple CarPlay maps, provided maps, wirelessly displayed on a separate, very crisp, very nice, in my humble opinion as well, this 9-inch but slightly different aspect resolution here than the previously reviewed Copyright product. If you want that on your screen without affecting or relying on your maybe busted, maybe not very good, maybe whatever infotainment screen built into your car, or maybe you don't even have one, then once again, I am a big Copyright fanboy. Self-confessed, but I believe, and I want to continue believing, that it is for a good reason. They deserve it. It's an awesome product, and you can get it cheaper with the discount codes provided. And in November, as I said, they are also running 30% discount on their website. So for any corrections of this information, for any updates on this information, which can get out of date, obviously, please always refer to the description of the video for the links and any other further notes from me. Pay attention to those, and I hope that you will get something like this, because this is definitely worth your money, in my humble opinion. Once again, do let me know what you think. Have you bought a Copyright system? Have you had any experience similar to mine? And how has it been for you? And like the video so that more people can see it, because I think, first of all, we are welcoming people into our little club of kind of casual car owners and owner reviews, as well as the Essential Car Electronics. The more of us here, the merrier. And it is just nice for me to see that you appreciate what I do around here. It is just for a personal satisfaction of my own. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be talking to you about more cars, more Essential Car Electronics, dash cams, wireless adapters, and more very, very soon. Goodbye for now.